Alright, spice lovers, today we're making fiery and absolutely mouth-watering Desi-style green chili pickle. First, take a bowl full of fresh green chilies, remove the stems, and make a slit down the side of each one. This helps the oil and salt seep in, giving the chilies that perfect tangy and spicy kick. Now, add a generous amount of salt and give them a good mix. This helps in preserving the chilies. Pour an entire bottle of mustard oil into a pan and heat it up. This will give the pickle its signature deep, rich flavour. Drop in a garlic clove and let it cook. Trust me, it'll make the pickle even more flavourful. Now, let's get to the spice blend. Take 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, dried coriander seeds, fennel seeds, and fenugreek seeds. Grind these up coarsely and add them to a bowl. Now, to this mix, add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of black cumin seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoons of paprika, the same amount of crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Give everything a good mix. Add a heaping tablespoon of dried mango powder for that signature tangy punch, along with 6 to 8 crushed garlic cloves. Next, carefully pour in the hot mustard oil. And finally, toss in the salted green chilies. Give everything a thorough mix until the chilies are fully coated in this rich, flavourful masala. And just like that, your homemade Desi-style green chili pickle is ready. Here's the secret. Store it for 2 to 3 weeks and let the masala soak in completely for the ultimate flavour boost. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more spicy and delicious content. See you next time.